Let's learn about SSC. SSC is defined under section 2 subsection 7 of the Income Tax Act. SSC, the simple meaning is a person liable to pay tax. It can be an individual, a company, Hindu undivided family, partnership firm or anything. Now, there are 4 types of SSCs. First is normal SSC. Normal SSC meaning a person liable to pay tax on their own income. For example, if I am paying tax for my tax liability, that I am a normal SSC. Second is a representative SSC, a person who is responsible for paying tax on behalf of somebody else. That is guardian of a minor or agent of a non-resident. Third is deemed SSC, a person who is not directly liable but treated as SSC under the law. That is legal heir of a deceased person. Next is SSC in default, a person who fails to fulfill his obligations, such as not deducting TDS, employer not deducting TDS. Thank you.